Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how to verify your Scribie transcription account so you can get started with confidence and ease. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into how to verify your Scribie transcription account so you can get started with confidence and ease. First, open your preferred web browser and go to the Scribie website. Once there, locate the Login or Sign Up button in the top right corner of the home page. If you already have an account, enter your email address and password and click Sign In. If you are new and don't have an account yet, proceed by creating one following their simple sign-up process, which usually involves providing your name, email, and setting a secure password. After logging in or registering successfully, you will be prompted to verify your account. This step is crucial, as it ensures your identity and eligibility to use the platform. Verification typically requires you to provide a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or driver's license. Start by clicking on the verification link or button that appears on your dashboard or account settings page. You will then be guided to upload your identification document. Make sure the image of your ID is clear, fully visible, and all details are readable to avoid delays. Once uploaded, review the information you provided to ensure it is accurate, then submit the verification request. The Scribie team will review your documents, which usually takes a few hours to a couple of days depending on their workload. While waiting, it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with the platform's terms of service and code of conduct, so you are well prepared to begin transcribing once verified. If you encounter any issues during verification, such as document rejection or delays, don't hesitate to contact Scribie customer support through their help center or email. They are usually very helpful and can assist you in resolving any problems promptly. After your verification is approved, you will receive a confirmation notification via email or through your account dashboard. At this point, your account is fully verified, and you can start accessing transcription jobs and other features Scribie offers. Always remember to keep your account details and personal information secure, avoid sharing your login credentials, and update your profile information if needed. By following these clear and simple steps, you can verify your Scribie transcription account efficiently and begin your journey with confidence in the transcription marketplace. Make sure to check your email and account notifications regularly for any updates from Scribie concerning your work or account status. Thank you for following this detailed beginner guide on Scribie account verification, and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and tips.